Dude, that's really musical. The first time I've sat in a Corvette that actually has a build. So use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Lock?
No, the basic killed it. You got the jerk on it.
I got it. Got it. Woo.
I done run into the daggone post. I done run into the post.
Oh.
I'm gonna put a different,
Wow. Well, I like this. The way the port design is there?
yeah,
That's pretty cool.
The old Frankenstein port they call
Frankenstein port. Okay. So what kind of subs are these?
DNR's 15 Scar.
Scar.
D1s.
Okay.
I got two 8K base cliff, crescendos in the back. I got a JY80, and I got a limited lithium 45 and two 15s.
Wow. Have you metered it? How did it do?
It does a 57.1 in the kick, 55 to 56 on the dash.
Okay. That's good. Wow, for just two 15s walled in this little car. Woo.
I bet to load you up.
Uh-oh, okay. All right, what was your name?
Ed Dickerson.
All right.
From Meta, Georgia. Me and Will live probably 5 miles,
Okay,
8 miles
I'm Savannah,
apart.
Georgia here. All right.
Well, you ain't far then.
No, sir.
Just put it on. That's my competition demo. I put the others back in there. I don't put that one in, but just for certain.
Oh man, that gave you like your peak. What was that frequency?
43.
43. Whew. Yeah, that's a good one for definitely for the you're peaking at 43. Is that with the door open?
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, it'll still do 43 sealed, but
Okay.
it ain't as strong. It
Yeah.
don't like sealed as good.
Yes, sir. Okay.
I'm able to,
awesome, man. Thank you.
Yeah, appreciate it.
Dude, that's really musical. The first time I've sat in a Corvette that actually has a build, so I like that.
Yeah,
Appreciate it, man.
Mr. Wayne Harris built one in '84.
Okay.
But his was more musical than
It is,
this one.
yeah. Oh, really?
That's
Wow.
the reason why I built it.
Okay, awesome. Yeah, you might have to help me get out. Woo! That was awesome. Thank you for the demo, man.
Yeah, anytime.
Oh, that was awesome.
You
Especially
see-
with that window, if you give me that peek, that was pretty
Yeah,
pretty
that-
impressive for just that wall with the power you have. So I like that.
When you load that up,
Yes, sir.
see, I got that competition disc. It does way better, but I don't demo it because if something blows, you know.
You don't want to blow anything, yeah. You give a few seconds to get me see how it feels. That was pretty good. Yeah, thank you, man. Hey, you have a good day.
Bring some ice for my cup, I drink with me. My cup, I drink with me.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.